Start by the name of Allah, who is most merciful and kind. Today we come with our new video at Z440 Workstation. Today we will make a video how to install the processor Intel Xeon processor in the Z440 Workstation and how to apply the cooling paste on it. It's a very simple trick, very simple video, and a very simple way we can describe you how to do this. So let's start. This is the Z440 Workstation, and now we tell you how to install a processor. This is the heatsink installed in the HP Z440 and the 4 simple screws. As you can see, this is the heatsink installed in the Z440 Workstation, and this is the position. This is the processor installed, and now we change the processor. We can easily install the new processor, and now we apply the cooling paste on this so that the temperature remains steady. 1 gram only, not more than this. As you can see, this is a very simple process of installation new processor and applying cooling paste on this. So hopefully this is our small video. You will enjoy this, and subscribe our channel, text Saqi Mirza, and click on the bell icon, and we'll come with our new video. Stay tuned with us. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.